Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to restore your Snapchat streaks. After opening Snapchat, you'll be in a Snapchat homepage. Then you can see a chat icon in the bottom of your screen. You have to tap on the chat icon. After tapping, you'll be in a page of your chat list. Then you can see the number of your Snapchat streaks you have with your friends. Then you have to scroll or search the friend you want to recover your Snapchat streaks with. After you find that friend, you can see the restore icon besides your Snap friend. Then you have to tap on that. After tapping, a menu will pop up in which you can do a paid restore. Snapchat allows one free restore for each Snap users. If you have already used it up, then this is the only option to restore your Snap streak. Then tap restore. After tapping, you'll be on a page something like this. Then you have to double click on the power button. After clicking, your phone will ask for your payment information. After typing your password, you have to tap on continue. After tapping on continue, the restoring process will start. It might take a while to load another page. After it's loaded, a page something like this will come in your screen automatically. Then you will have to add all your payment options. After adding all your payment options, you have to tap on done, which is on the right upper corner. And after every payment is verified, your Snapchat streaks will be back. So this was it for the video. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.